Here. I'm still here. The wrong side of the screen. I thought we'd be home by now. Firing ourselves piggies. But something went wrong, I guess. Where am I? I guess it doesn't matter. Now, I'm alone.
Fuck that!
Aw, fuck!
YouTube poop. Where there's smoke, they pinch back.
I did not see this. Now, if I remember correctly,
A goddamn nuke.
should be right over there. Right on. Hold on. What the fuck?
Is that who I think it is?
Well, that depends. Who do you think it is? Ooh, ooh, ooh. So what's up? Hi.
Yeah, hi. Jeez. What a
Read out yet if the air is breathable, and there seems to be no sign of intelligent life anywhere.
Hello?
Out here. That's the spirit of the woods. Oh dear.
Oh. Michaela.
Oh, Matilda.
Molunda.
Matilda.
My name is Jeffrey.
It feels good on my pee-pee.
Wow.
How to recognize the voice of someone you know really well who is standing right next to you.
Jerk.
No one's answering? I guess I'll have to call on someone.
Get down!
Wake up.
Stop it, Red. I'm
Wake up.
sleepy. I don't want to go to school. Guys? Red? Bob? Why are you making that sound? Why do you guys look so terrible? Gee, it smells like a darn pig died. Oh my.
Excuse me, what the actual fuck?
You got a little on your...
Oh my goodness!
Disgusting!
Are you and me?
What? Rude.
In that case, I think we'd better get cracking out of here.
What?
Rude. Guards.
Hey, come on. Where's Bomb and Red? I thought we were going home. What is this place?
I have named this place.
Sure.
This is our home. When we failed to pay attention, this is where we ended up. And now, we are stuck here. For eternity.
Whoa, take it easy. We're not stuck here at all.
What?
We're not stuck here. I have the idea.
Yo, it's a joke! It's a joke! It's a fucking joke!
Meanwhile,
Fantastic.
I wonder what's for
Dinner.
Nuh-uh.
I hope Bomb has managed to
Well, let's eat then.
Spaghetti! Salami!
soup. Pudding after. Bomb and Stella gonna get filled up.
Spaghetti! Salami!
Soup. Pudding after. Bomb and Stella gonna get filled up.
Steady. Oh, I swallowed a
Guys, listen. You're not allowed to violate the rules in our COS. I may have to ban you for 24 hours.
There.
Oh, you're right. That is pretty.
You're doing good, lad.
What? Oh, what are you awing at? Look, there, by that log. I'm sure there's something watching us.
Oh, Red. That's silly. You're getting paranoid.
I can't live in this world anymore! I saw Timon bury himself while crying. I saw Pumbaa cook himself.
I'm not used to hiding under bushes when there's danger around.
Frick nugget!
We are the hunted, currently, and we're about to become the hunters? Oh, forget it. Follow my lead.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Come on.
Oh, that's what say. Let's get him.
Jinx.
Now I will tell you a story.
A story of hope, a story of loss, a story of betrayal.
A story about a kind man who would visit 5 orphans and bring them toys and gladness.
About a pig and a Chuuch. What? We came to in a strange, alien place, confused and scared. But that was before the darkness, the evil force showed up. The one you know as Chuuch. Chuck told us what he had with him, and I suggested that we put aside our differences and work together to find a way to power it up, to find you guys, and to get home.
Get up!
I tried everything, but Chuck, he refused to work with me. And what was worse, he managed to turn
The entire rest of the world
against me. And then it happened. Something inside of him broke in that moment. He just snapped. I've never seen anything so terrifying. What else could I do? I ran for my life.
I'm furious. I'm gonna fuck a child.
Help me, Red and Matilda. You're my only hope. That's the end.
Oh, sorry, from the top.
A little tuckered out.
Vee did that on purpose! She's hiding mystery stuff and being overdramatic about it!
You stop!
guys, quit goofing off. We got work to do?
I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes, listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead, long live the king. 1 minute I held the key, next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of salt and pillars of sand. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, once you've gone, it was never an honest word. That was when I ruled the world.
Look at that. We run this town. Looking at that just make you feel...
Guilty. And very, very small. Come on, Stella. Enough messing around. We have to find our friends. They need us. It's time to get serious.
Okay. We should probably take off all this stuff then, don't you think?
Hey now, I said serious, not unfabulous.
A few inches later.
That's it. No more goofing off. We have to get serious now.
I'm in, man. What's the plan?
Della and Bob get serious.
Let's get moving.
Whoa, after breakfast.
Guys, listen.
Shut the fuck up. No one cares. Know your fucking place. Trash.
Then we'll have to make new ones. Better ones. But... Stop president! Now get out! Get out! Get out! Hold on a minute. That's it! My faithful swine, we did it. I give you
my original character. He has one boot for moving. Doesn't need to go far where he's going. He's got a lamp on the back end. There's a spare tire there in case he needs to change. He's got a saw there for defense. This light module is to light up any place that he's going. His head is kept... Pretty weak point there, I will say. But if he needs to get out of there fast, he has propeller here, and then he fly off.
healthier,
happy,
Strong.
Fitter.
strong, 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 healthier. Woo! Feel the burn. Come on, am I right? Oh, they're tuckered out.
Meanwhile.
I'm so scared, but I don't know what to do. Me too, Red.
I'm not listening. I can't hear you. I literally, my eyes are shut too. You have no power over me anymore.
Entertained.
You are not my friend.
I'm here to see. Follow me
to infinity.
And
beyond. The rainbow.
Let's rejoice with the boy.
Whee! All right, come on, here we go. Come on.
Oh, I'm coming, guys. I'm done here. I filled my purse.
Did you just say amber lamps?
yeah. This cancer thing is pretty strong. I don't think I'll win.
Alright, Game Big, no more doubting a story. My turn.
So, after a long and perilous journey, Bob and Stella found their lost friends.
Get in the bag.
Everyone was pretty thrilled to be reunited. Well, someone had to remind these clowns that this wasn't a gosh darn birthday party. You seem to be forgetting that this journey was far from over. The worst? Well, that is yet to come. You think you know your friend? Well, think again. The one you know as Chuuch is gone. We are about to go to a place that will make your worst nightmares seem like the sweetest dream you ever had.
Oh, where must we travel, my liege? Guide us.
Prepare to journey into the heart of darkness. A place from which some of us will not return, and those of us that do will not return the same. A place from which...
It's bad.
Sorry.
Where do
yes.
we have to go?
Right, just over there.
What?
Oh, right, yes, sorry, just over there. Just there, behind you, over there. Yeah, just in there, right there.
You heard him, folks. He was right there the whole time. Right next to where Bomb and Stella had been goofing. Anyone want to fill everyone in on what happened next?
Give it to me. Give it to me.
Hey, look at that ass, bro.
Hi.
Oh, Chuuch, is it ever good to see you, buddy? We missed you,
Oh man, you are a sight for sore eyes.
Who the fuck are you?
Chuuch, it's us. Red, Bomb, Stella.
And me, of course.
Matilda.
I must say you look somewhat familiar, but you can't be who you say you are, as Red, Bomb, Stella, with me, and they'd never leave me.
What is wrong with you?
It's us! Yeah, I mean, granted, these guys handsome fellas, but you know us, man!
There's only one way to settle this, and that is through battle.
Oh,
The winners will prove they're the real Red, Bomb, etc., etc., and the losers will be banished. Forever!
Now hold on a minute there. You're not the real Chuuch. I am. So you too will have to battle.
Huh?
No.
Whoa!
Okay, enough.
What a tournament it's been! You could say that again. In round one, Bob came through and roundly defeated Bomber, fell asleep and forgot to show up. As you can see here, this is a classic sleeping position, face down, the rear end in the air. Look at him snore. Then Red scored a resounding victory over Redder when Redder also fell fell asleep and forgot to play.
Great, I win. Woohoo!
And now, it's the match we've all been waiting for. That's right, it's time for the Battle of the Chuuchs, and it's all to play for. The future of the piggies and even the Angry Birds themselves. Whoever wins this will be crowned the real Chuuch. Distinctive triangular Chuuch shape, which is going to be useful for the aerodynamics of moving through the air at considerable speeds. Absolutely, and if you look at the face of Chuuch, you can see he's got quite a wide tush, which in consequence... Let's go down to the catapult now live where we can see Chuuch making his approach.
Okay, here I go. Here I go. Come on, pull it. Further.
Holy fuck. I'm coming. Lois.
Huh. Huh, well, my go. Wish me luck. Oh! Huh, I win.
So, I'm not the real Chuuch. Who am I?
Hit taco with cow urine for a dipping sauce.
You did it! Oh, yes! Well done, you!
Not so fast. It was pretty obvious the whole time that I wasn't really going to turn out to be a good guy.
I should have known.
Guys, I'm sorry. Maybe I wasn't the real me, but I sure as heck am now. Now what do you say? Let's get in that catapult and go home! What?
Oh, well.
Sorry fam, this next clip is a mystery.
The end.